I'm going to show you how to get unlimited geraniums from a single plant. Geraniums are one of the easiest plants to propagate, and it's a pretty simple process, so let's walk through it. So when you look at your geranium plant, you want to find the tip of a branch, such as this one right here, and you want to take off about 4 inches is all you need of this plant, so you can just snap it off right about there. Now when you say, that's a lot bigger than 3 or 4 inches, it is. But what I'm talking about is the stem size right here. So only about 4 inches of stem. So here's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to remove all the flower stalks because you don't want these taking away energy from the plant because it's going to need energy to make roots. And I'm also going to remove the lower leaves, but here's another flower stalk. Here's a baby flower stalk coming in. We're going to take that off too. And then I'm going to take any lower leaves off like that. And then any really large leaves off, I'm going to take those too because they're just going to take away energy from this plant, and it needs to make some new growth. So what you're left with here is a geranium cutting, and this is how we as professional growers grow these. And they actually will send them to us. They let them callus over a little bit, and they send them to us in big bags, and we just get thousands of them at a time in these bags. And all we do is we take our 6-inch pot, and we'll make a little hole right here, and then just stick directly down into the soil and pack it in. Now you're going to want to water this in and keep it decently moist, but not soggy wet. I like to keep it, if it's a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being extremely saturated, try to keep this at about a 3 or a 4 for the next couple of weeks. And geraniums actually prefer to root into soil rather than doing a water propagation like you would with other plants. You should start seeing some new growth in about 2 weeks, and within 2 months you may have a plant that looks something like this.